In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload videos to Google Drive and share them with others in a few easy steps. Let's make it simple and straightforward so that by the end of this guide, you'll feel confident in your ability to share your videos seamlessly. Let's dive in. Start by heading over to your Google Drive home screen. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand side where you'll see a big, colorful button labeled New. Click that button. This is the gateway to uploading your files, videos included, to your Google Drive. After clicking New, a drop-down menu will appear. Here you need to select File Upload. Clicking on it will open up a File Explorer window on your computer. In this window, browse through your folders to find the video you want to upload. Once you locate your video, click on it and then hit Open. This action begins the upload process to Google Drive, so just give it a moment and let it complete. During this time, you might notice a small pop-up at the bottom right of your screen indicating the upload progress. Great. Now that your video is uploaded, it's time to find it among your files. Look around your drive until you see the video file, then click on it. Selecting your video is necessary before moving on to the sharing aspect. With your video open, you'll want to look towards the top area of your screen and find the share icon. It's a little figure with a plus symbol, usually found among some icons. Clicking on this share icon brings up a new window where you'll manage who gets access to your video. Initially, your video might be set to restricted, which means only people you specifically invite can view it. To change that setting, click on restricted. A small drop-down menu will appear with sharing options. Next, you'll want to click on anyone with the link. Selecting this option allows anyone who has the link to view your video, making it easy to share without needing to add their email specifically. After choosing this, the box will likely prompt you to adjust permissions, like if they can only view or edit. You'll want to stick with viewer to keep things simple and secure. At this point, you're ready to get your shareable link. So simply click on copy link. It'll immediately copy the link to your clipboard, making it easy to paste wherever you need, whether that's in an email, a chat, or a document. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can now upload and share videos on Google Drive effortlessly. Remember, sharing is all about accessibility, and this process ensures it's both smooth and secure. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.